We've had plenty of 5-liter F-150 trucks pass through our hands over the years, and we've managed to try out a wide assortment of catback exhaust kits because of it. While there's really no best catback for the 5-liter F-150s, it's definitely hard to make these trucks sound bad. Heck, even the 5-liter F-150s sound good with a stock exhaust. In any case, here are a few of our favorite kits broken down into mild, moderate, and aggressive types. Our first mild kit is actually 3 kits. MAGNAFLOW's single side exit, turn down, and pre-tire exit kits all have a fairly similar sound that is very tame with low levels of drone due to the fact that they keep the stock resonator. Despite that, they all sound nice and mean without being too overbearing when you step on the throttle. Our next mild kit isn't all that mild, but is arguably as mild as you're going to get if you want to delete the stock resonator. The MBRP 3-inch single exit catback kit is a great choice for anyone who wants a mean sound for their truck, without irritating the entire neighborhood. Our first moderate kit is one of our all-time favorites, the Solo MACH-X. The MACH-X has a clean, mean, and throaty sound. Its twin tips on each side give the truck a great look, and it was one of the best fitting dual exit kits that we've tried. Next up is the Borla S-Type. The middle child of Borla's catback lineup, the S-Type is mean enough to get you noticed, but doesn't cause an excessive amount of interior drone. Our last moderate kit is the Flowmaster American Thunder system. This kit is loud, proud, and rowdy. It's borderline with some of our aggressive kits, but it has a great V8 sound that's not too overbearing when you're just cruising around. Our first aggressive kit is the Solo MR400. Like the MACH-X, the MR400 is a high-quality kit, though it features a single exit instead. This kit is loud, throaty, and brutal. If you want to get noticed, but you want to keep a single exit, this kit is for you. Next is the Borla Attack. The Attack is one of the most popular exhausts for the 5-liter F-150s, and its ferocious roar is also accompanied by an aggressive popping and amazing tone throughout the rev range. However, you may not want to remote start at 3 AM if you live within a quarter mile of your neighbors. Finally, we have the Flowmaster Outlaw kit. With one of the tiniest mufflers on the planet and 3-inch diameter tubing all the way through, this is one of the loudest out-of-the-box catbacks out there for the 5-liter trucks. An absolutely brutal sound follows it wherever it goes. Your neighbors will definitely not like you, but it may be worth it for one of the most aggressive kits around. You can find all of these kits at stage3motorsports.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for even more F-150 clips, installs, and breakdowns. Follow us on Instagram and like us on Facebook to see our latest news, parts, and projects.